Good morning, class 12. Hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to start our fresh chapter from book 2. This is chapter number 2. It starts with the topic Era of One Party System. Before starting this chapter, we have to keep few things in our mind. This book is a bit different. One chapter provides a base to other chapter. So, in chapter number 1, we have done about the challenges of nation building, according to which we studied that our country faced 3 major challenges, if you guys do remember, among which one challenge our country was facing was to establish democracy. From the very beginning, it was clear that whenever India is going to be independent or get independence, it would be establishing democracy. But इस democracy को बनाना was a difficult task because with the attainment of independence, we also faced the consequences of partition of India between India and Pakistan. There was a problem of the integration of princely states. Moreover, there was also a disturbance due to the reorganization of states. In such situation, we have done many incidents took place from the year 1947 to the year 1950 January. I am asking this state because although we all had attained our independence, but our constitution was still into making. Constituent Assembly was in the working process. Our constitution took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete its task. Besides that, interim government was working. ये हम कर चुके हैं. In junior classes, we have also studied that हमारा constitution बना 26 नवंबर 1949 को. आप अपने preamble में ये पढ़ते हैं. We give ourselves to the Constitution on the 26th day of November 1959. ठीक है? But in order to give importance to the day of 26th January, we celebrated our first Republic Day on 26th January 1950. So, the Constitution of India came into being on this day. तब तक हम अपने देश में कैसे करते? What should we have done so far? Although few of the military operations like Operation Polo was being there, although many treaties with the name of Instrument of Succession were signed, although the planning was done to establish the State Reorganization Commission, but all these processes came into being when the Constitution was made. Our Constitution carries all the rules and regulations according to which we were obliged to run our country. और इसी Constituent of India में लिखा गया about the Election Commission of India. Here I am not going to teach you about the Election Commission of India, but I would like to tell you, in January 1950, the first thing after the celebration of Republic Day, our country did was that it immediately established Election Commission so that interim government should end up. It should be replaced by the representative democracy of our country. New leaders to be elected by the masses. So, the first election commissioner came into being, please do remember his name. His name was Sukumar Sen in January 1950. As soon as the challenges came, as soon as the election commission established, the challenges to election commission also emerged. It was very difficult for India to hold a free and fair elections. ऐसा नहीं है कि सुकुमार सेन आए और हमने कहा ओके फरवरी मार्च में हम इलेक्शंस कंडक्ट कर देंगे. नो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर वाज नो, वी वर ऑल बीन अवेयर अबाउट द इंडिया साइज, अ ह्यूज कोस्टल बाउंड्री, the border areas which were basically disrupting. Basically, we get independence in an unusual circumstances. Election तो तब हो जब हमें पता हो for what state, for what city we are going to conduct the election. There was total absence of the state boundaries. Princely states were ruling. They were signing instrument of accessions and we were not sure कि हम इसको किस तरीके की constituencies में divide करें. Delimitation of constitutions were not done. How we are going to do it? जब इलेक्शन कमीशन इसको करना चाहता था तब ही किसी ना किसी प्रिंसली स्टेट को प्रॉब्लम थी कि हमने ये साइन किया लेकिन इसमें हमारी ये रियासत भी आती है, इतने लोग भी आते हैं, डाटा था ही नहीं. अब अगर डाटा नहीं था तो द प्रॉब्लम ऑल्सो इमर्ज्ड विद द इलेक्टोरल लिस्ट, द ह्यूज प्रॉब्लम. नो सेंसस अवेलेबल, no census available, plus we have gone through partition, no particular citizen's name available. पता ही नहीं हम करने वाले हैं क्या. कोई बात नहीं, हम लोगों की गिनती शुरू कर लेंगे. कैसे? आधी औरतों के तो नाम ही नहीं थे. आपका नाम क्या है? ये रामचंद्र जी की वाइफ है. हाँ जी, हाँ जी. नाम क्या पता नहीं. आप किस चीज रामचंद्र जी की वाइफ है? जो उस गांव में रहते हैं. अब एक गांव में कितने रामचंद्र होते हैं पता नहीं. आपके एजुकेशन लेवल क्या है? सॉरी, more than 80% population was illiterate at that time. No infrastructure was there to teach. और एक साल में हम कितना लोगों को पढ़ा लेते भाई. बहुत सारी जो इलेक्ट्रोल लिस्ट बनाई गई या वोटर्स लिस्ट जिसे आप कहते हैं बनाई गई, here the names were missing. वुमेन्स के नेम तो ऐसे ही लिखे गए थे. तकरीबन 40 लाख वुमेन्स के नेम ऐसे लिखे गए थे. वाइफ ऑफ, डॉटर ऑफ, मदर ऑफ, विद नो नेम. एंड चलिए सब कर लेंगे. प्रॉब्लम वॉज नॉट दैट. सिर्फ 15% लिटरेसी के साथ जिनको वोटिंग की इंपॉर्टेंस पता हो, 17 करोड़ एलिजिबल वोटर्स थे हमारे देश में. 17 करोड़. पढ़े लिखे कितने थे? 1.8 करोड़. दैट्स इट, फिनिश्ड. कितने लोगों को चुनना है हमने नेशनल लेवल पर भी इलेक्शंस कंडक्ट करने हैं एंड स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबलीज के लिए भी कंडक्ट करने हैं. तो द इलेक्शंस विल बी कंडक्टेड फॉर अबाउट 3200 MLAs and 489 representatives, member of parliaments. How? No answer. कैसे, कौन काम करेगा? ऑफिसर्स कर लेंगे, ड्यूटी इंचार्ज कर लेंगे. उनको कौन सिखाएगा? तो इलेक्शन कमीशन को तो सबसे पहले ये भी काम करना पड़ा. They have to train almost about 3 lakh officers, 3 lakh polling in charges who should come onwards and should help in the voting process. अब एक और समस्या, सब वोट देंगे क्या? हाँ जी. कैसे देंगे? यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज के बेसिस पर. Everybody is equal. No discrimination should be done on the basis of caste, age, sex or any other factor, religion or region or place of birth. हिंदुस्तान में, which was at that time a land of diversity, जहां इक्वालिटी की कोई गिनती नहीं थी. कास्टिज्म हमारे देश में चल रहा था. रिच एंड पुअर का गैप हमारे देश में चल रहा था. लैंग्वेज के इश्यूज हमारे देश में चल रहे थे. पैट्रियार्टिकल सोसाइटी हमारे देश में चल रही थी. इलेक्शंस यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज के बेस पर होने चाहिए. अल्टीमेटली अ वेरी टिडियस a very difficult, a very bold task जो कि इलेक्शन कमीशन को दिया गया और सुकुमार सेन के सामने कोई रास्ता उन्हें नजर नहीं आ रहा था. He just asked, I need a time to conduct elections in India. Whatsoever happens next, we will be doing in our next class. Thank you.